Okay, this is Charles Howard with the Howard Angle. Some of us have old computers and we want to get access to the hard drive so we can destroy it to make sure the information on that hard drive is not accessible once we dispose of it. So this is an old Dell computer, and the goal is to remove the hard drive, and later destruction process can be covered. So in this particular one, I have a latch right here. On this computer, I have a latch that releases the panel. So if I move this latch, I can pull this panel back like so. And here, the hard drive is actually right here. So we lay this down. This is the hard drive that I'm going to remove. This is the hard drive that I'm going to remove right here. So let's put this back up so you can see a little better here. So it has a screw here. Apparently I've taken a couple of screws out, or someone has, but this, I'm going to go ahead and remove these connectors. So it has connectors in here. So a little closer so you can see. So I'm going to remove these connectors here. Pull that out. Pull that out there. And another connector here. Actually, I pulled it completely loose here. So technically, anything around it I can remove, but looks like just these two screws are left. So someone else has removed other screws, so I don't have to remove all the screws because they've already been removed. So I've got a screw here, a Phillips head screwdriver required for that. Remove this screw here. And I have a screw here, so that's holding the hard drive in place. This just has two screws left. So remove the screws. And let's see. Something else is in the way here. It looks like that. Just pull forward like that, and technically, there you go. Hard drive's out. So the next process would be to destroy this hard drive so that the data cannot be recovered. So the hard drive's out. That wasn't too bad. Subscribe to The Howard Angle, where we learn how to do little things that we don't have to pay people to do.